Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an exciting AI agent in the Delaverse playground, the WordPress Content Generation API. Imagine effortlessly pulling in fresh news from APIs, jazzing it up with AI-generated SEO magic, creating stunning images, and publishing it all straight to your WordPress site. Plus, getting a ping on Telegram to let your team know. It's a game changer for keeping your blog buzzing without the manual grind. This AI agent supercharges your content strategy by automating the entire process from sourcing to sharing. Whether you're a busy editor racing against deadlines or a marketer aiming for top SEO spots, it saves hours, ensures consistency, and lets you focus on what you love, creating impact. Getting started is a breeze in the Delaverse playground. Log into your account, head to the AI Agent Hub section, and search for or import the WordPress Content Generation API template. Drag it onto your canvas, and let's walk through setting it up step by step. First, connect your API sources by entering the base URL and auth details. Think of it like giving your AI agent a key to the news vault. Let's break down the magic pieces. API fetching. This is your content hunter. It grabs the latest headlines from your favorite news APIs using simple queries like category or country filters. No more manual copying. Let it do the heavy lifting. AI Content Booster. Here, AI takes the raw news and turns it into polished SEO-optimized articles. You'll craft prompts to rewrite and enhance the text, making it engaging and search-friendly. Plus, it spits out ideas for eye-catching images. Image Creator. Using cool AI models like DALL-E, this node generates custom visuals based on your content prompts. Say goodbye to stock photos. Hello, original artwork that fits perfectly. WordPress Publisher seamlessly pushes your ready-to-go post to your site. Set it to publish live or save as a draft. Add categories and tags, and watch it appear like magic. Telegram Notifier keeps everyone in the loop with instant messages about new posts. Perfect for team check-ins without endless emails. While this AI agent doesn't have built-in dashboards, you can track its success by monitoring your WordPress analytics for traffic spikes from fresh content. In Delaverse, keep an eye on run logs to see how often it fires and any tweaks needed. It's all about measuring that content velocity. The real payoff? Time and effort saved translate to more opportunities, like scaling your blog or experimenting with new topics. Automate daily news roundups, and your site stays fresh, boosting engagement and potentially your ad revenue or audience growth. It's like having a 24/7 content team at your fingertips. For pro users, level up by customizing AI prompts for your brand voice, testing different schedules, like cron jobs for peak times, and securing all auth with tokens. Pro tip: run tests on each node connection before going live to ensure smooth flows. Dive into advanced auth like JWT for extra security, and regularly refresh your AI models for top-notch outputs. In the end, this AI agent empowers you to build a dynamic, automated content machine that grows your online presence effortlessly. Jump in, tweak it to your needs, and see your WordPress site thrive. Delaverse makes it simple and fun. What's your first automated post going to be? Share in the comments.